Top tourist attractions in Belgium. Grand Place, Brussels. Explore Grand Place to see the finely preserved Guildhalls and buildings, Belgium's vernacular architecture at its best. The Canals of Bruges. Take a sightseeing cruise along the Canals of Bruges, a popular way to explore the city and remember Bruges' beautiful history. St. Peter's Church, Leuven. Visit St. Peter's Church, Leuven, one of Belgium's recognizable landmarks, a 15th century building with intricate art details. Wait. While enjoying this video, please subscribe to our channel. Castle of Vêves. A fairy tale-style medieval castle renowned as Belgium's most well-preserved example of medieval castle architecture. Belfry Tower, Bruges. Climb the striking Belfry Tower in Bruges, a World Heritage Site, and be rewarded with a stunning view of the city and its surroundings. Gravensteen Castle. Walk the halls of the Gravensteen Castle, an amazing architectural masterpiece with charming corridors, tower stairs, and more. The Atomium. Witness one of the most fascinating attractions, the Atomium, which is a museum, an observation deck, and an entertaining spot. The ancient Gaasbeek Castle. Enjoy a perfect sunny day at the ancient 13th century Gaasbeek Castle that sits majestically on top of a hill. The Citadel of Dinant. Spend a pleasant day at the Citadel of Dinant and witness its beauty as you ride on a candle car or a boat cruise along the Meuse. Guildhalls at Grote Markt Square. Come to explore the most beautiful square in Belgium, the Grote Markt Square, and enjoy the many things it has to offer. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Let us know which attraction caught your eye. Comment below. And don't forget to subscribe our channel to watch more interesting and latest videos.